stranded? Well, if there are direct flights, it's easier to manage. Clean the RAM service, the trucks will do that. You use the winterizations, is that kind of work that the RAM service people, employees, will do. Clean the snow off the aircraft. That's called the winterization. With the RAM cleaned and the aircraft clean, okay, free from snow, you can take off and direct flights, voila, is on its way. But when you have connecting flights, you leave one city, connecting another, take off to last destination, first of all, you need to take off. And if you cannot take off and you don't do the connection to take off a second time or a third time, because the airports are, I don't know, stranded with the snow, because they really work very good, clean the ramp and doing the winterization of the aircraft. But a connection flight is kind of more difficult because you have to depend on another airport, on another base, to do the job where they connect and take off, to land at last destination. So I imagine that direct flight will be easier. Clean the ramp, do the winterization of the aircraft, and take off and land, and voila, that's it. But the snow have been brutal all over the country, and people are really struggling even to get to the airport. But when you see people 1 day, 2 days, to 4 days, through 4 days stranded, then with connecting flight, I can understand. With direct flight, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe the landing hasn't cleaned the ramp. Have a nice day.